Today we're making strawberry freezer jam. Very simple recipe if you follow the recipe exactly. You do not want to alter the recipe. This is original Sure-Gel. It's the one that I use. The recipe is in the insert. Go down, you find your strawberry. You follow this recipe exactly. I have my strawberries washed, capped, and drained. You don't want the excess water, so you let them drain for a little while. I prefer to chop mine in my food processor. You can do hand squeezing, is one method, but it's so much simpler to put them in your food processor and chop them to a coarse consistency. I'm going to use 2 cups of crushed strawberries. And like I say, you follow the recipe exactly. You don't want to try to double the recipe. You can make separate batches, but you don't want to double the recipe. Give them a chop. Break them down off the sides. That's the consistency you want. Just a nice chopped consistency. Hope this is 2 cups. If not, we'll go back and do some more. I've made them enough I can almost get my measurements right to start with. So we've got 2 cups of strawberries. Okay, my 2 cups of strawberries are going in this large bowl. You want a large enough bowl that you can stir and mix it. Four cups of sugar to 2 cups of strawberries. Takes a lot of sugar to make jam. We're going to stir this up, and it's got to set for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, then we'll do the rest of it. We'll stir it occasionally during that 10-minute period to get the sugar all mixed. Okay, that's mixed well. Now we're going to let it set for the 10 minutes. All right, our strawberries have set for 10 minutes. I've stirred them every 3 or 4 minutes during that time. The next step is 3/4 cups of water. A package of Sure-Gel, original Sure-Gel. We've got to bring this to a boil and boil for 1 minute. Okay, it's boiling. I boil this for 1 minute, stirring continually. Okay, 1 minute has passed. Pour it directly into your strawberries. Now we're going to stir this continually for 3 minutes. This is the gelling process. So you don't want to slack up, you want to do it exactly 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes of stirring, we've got a nice thick, it's starting to gel. It's ready to put in our jars. It makes 3 full pints of jelly. Depending on how juicy the strawberries are is going to depend on how thick it gels. I don't mind if mine comes out a little weak gelled, because it's good on ice cream, it's good on pancakes, it's good on just about anything you like strawberries on. You don't just have to eat it for jam. Out the jars, make sure they're clean on top. I didn't get any on top. And we're going to let these set for 24 hours at room temperature and then put them in the freezer. Then they're good till you use them up. That's how you make strawberry jam.